last one. You excited?
Live rattlesnake?
Ah!
Yeah.
Look,
What is it? It's a Chucky doll. Hi, I want to be your friend. That's cool. Awesome. Let's see that.
how many you got? A girl
Oh
and
my
a-
God.
Oh, they're both in there.
Oh,
They know.
That's not on video.
They're up in the closet up there, and they both are petrified of them.
oh man.
They know these.
Oh, they're up there. Oh, they're already up there. That's funny. We were
Chuck.
sitting here. We had that idea.
Where'd he go?
I probably went down there with power. I gotta start the grill.
That was awesome.
Oh, that's awesome.
Where'd he go?
I think he's upstairs. Not up there?
I don't know where he went. Where are you? Birthday boy. Birthday boy. This is a big house. Birthday boy, where are you? Where's Sam? Where's Sam? He's mad at me.
Nah, I doubt it. He's probably outside laughing.
I don't know.
Lauren got it all on video.
Hide in the cupboard somewhere.
Can I watch the video, Lauren?
Yeah, we're finding him.
There he is.
How do you feel, Mister?
No, don't be. I
Say you're
put it
scared.
Back in the closet. Don't be mad. It was a joke. Don't be mad, please. I'm sorry. How about $20 in your pocket for your card? Would that make you happy?
No.
He's like, you gotta give me 50.